Hey everybody, this is Mr. Storm. In this video, I wanted to show you one more embed feature that I think most people are going to use at some point in Canvas, but I wanted to create a separate video for that so you didn't have to watch a 30-minute long video just to get to the part about embedding. In the last video, we created this page with a bunch of examples of what you can do, and we've embedded a couple things like a YouTube video and a document here. But I want to show you how to embed a presentation. Presentations are, actually, let me go ahead and delete all of this stuff. Let me get rid of the whole page. So we have a clean slate to start from. Presentations are what most teachers use to kind of organize their lessons. They'll have a slideshow presentation that they put on the screen, and they'll go through the slides and whatnot. Some teachers use PowerPoint, some teachers use Google Slides. I'll show you the benefits and drawbacks to both here. But the nice thing is you can put your entire lesson, the slides that you use to teach, right here into a page. So let's try PowerPoint first. I have a PowerPoint presentation. This is just a basic template that I grabbed just to show you kind of how this works. The way this presentation will look if I embed it, well, first of all, I can't really embed it. Let me show you what happens. So I have this file. Let's say I want to import or bring the document in because that's what it is. I want to upload the document, grab my PowerPoint presentation and submit. It's just going to come in as a link that I can click as a student, and I can open up those slides eventually. It's taking quite a while. Wow. I think there might actually be an issue here. Let's try that again. Well, in theory, I will be able to open up those slides and view them here, and I could download them as well. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I have the slides here. I can open them, view them, and whatnot, right? So that's great. That's fine. You just have to make sure students understand that they have to click that link to get to the presentation. For me, that's a bit clunky. So let's see if we can maybe... I haven't played around with Photoshop in a while, so let me see if I can figure this out. Export. Create a video. Oh, well, you can create a video and then embed that. That's not a bad idea, maybe. You can create an animated GIF. A certain amount of, okay. Yeah, there's not a real, you can create a PDF and embed the PDF in there. Yeah, there's not really any great options here. So instead, I like to use Google Drive or Google Slides. So let me go to Google Slides real quick, slides.google.com, and I'll show you. I'll just grab this, let's say this computer hardware lesson, okay? This is a lesson that I use for one of my classes, teaching them all about computer hardware. There's GIFs, there's videos, there's all kinds of stuff, right? Okay, so to embed this into the lesson, all I have to do is go to File, Publish to the web, just like we embedded the previous document we were looking at. It's going to give me these options to either create a link or embed. I want embed. Auto advance slides. It says every 3 seconds. I usually go down to every minute. I don't ever really see it auto advancing slides on me. But I just put every minute just to make sure. You can change the size, make it medium, large, whatever. Large is pretty nice. I can have it start the slideshow as soon as the player loads or restart the slideshow after the last slide. All of these options are great. I can limit access to people who are inside or only in my organization. Anyway, once I have all the settings set the way I want, I'm going to copy, come back over, and hit my embed cloud here and paste. And that's going to create a slideshow embedded directly into my page that I do not have to leave the page in order to view. Okay, I can just click through the slides, just like normal. No problems, no issues. Okay. And GIFs work as well. So this is probably my favorite GIF ever. These GIFs all work. Images work, videos work. And it's directly embedded right into your page. Now, if you're the kind of person who uses PowerPoint for everything, and maybe you want to start using Google Slides because it's easier to embed, one thing you can do is you can drag your PowerPoint slides. Oh, we're going to have to do this through Drive. So let's go to Google Drive. And I'm just going to go into a folder here so it's easier to find. Let's drag this PowerPoint presentation into my Google Drive. It's going to take a second to upload. But then here, what I can do is it's opening it as a Google slide presentation. Now, some of the formatting is going to be probably off going from one feature or one platform to the next, but it is now a Google Slides presentation that I can publish and embed. Let's go down a bit. So in my opinion, that's a bit better. The sizes are different because I didn't make any changes to the options there. But now that presentation that I had in PowerPoint is actually embedded as a Google Slides presentation. So don't fret if all of your stuff is PowerPoint and you want to do it this way as opposed to this way. You can make it pretty easy, or you can set it up pretty easily just by dumping those into your Google Drive. Okay, that's it for me. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.